Namaste, welcome everyone. My name is Kassandra and I am so excited to be bringing you my second annual 30-day yoga challenge right here on YouTube. Last year in April, I launched the morning yoga movement, which was 10-minute morning yoga classes every day for 30 days. The feedback and response was amazing, and I thought, what better than to add an evening yoga movement so that you have something to start your day with and something to also end your day with. So here we are with the evening yoga movement. This is a 30-day challenge where we will practice for 15 minutes every single evening, and the goal of these practices is to stretch and relax. That is really all I want for you with these classes is flexibility and complete relaxation. Relaxing physically, mentally, and emotionally. So this is all new content, and of course it is all completely free. The style of these classes will be a mix of slow flows as well as some yin yoga classes, and they're truly meant to be for all experience levels. I would say most classes, because we're not really working on strength, we're not working on balance, most classes will be done low to the ground. They are very suitable for beginners. However, I'll always throw in a few options for those of you who want some deeper stretches. I also learned a lot from last year's morning yoga movement where a lot of the classes needed props. I tried as best as possible. Most of the classes in this 30-day challenge will not need any props at all. And for the classes where I am using a block or two, there may be 5 of them in the whole 30 days. You can easily substitute this with couch cushions, bed pillows, or even just some folded up blankets. So I wanted it to be free, I wanted it to be very accessible, and I wanted you to feel fully comfortable and competent to do this every day in the comfort of your own home with whatever it is that you have around. Just like last year's challenge, every class in the evening yoga movement will be paired with an affirmation. I am a deep lover of affirmations, and I find that they help take our practice just a little bit deeper. I would absolutely love for you to join me. I can't wait to launch this. If you would like to sign up, you can do this by just clicking the first link you see down below in my description box. Now, I know some of you are probably going to be wanting an extra dose of challenge, and if that sounds like something that you want, you could repeat the morning yoga movement while also doing the evening yoga movement. So you'll notice in the description box again of this video, you'll find a second link where you can sign up for both. So every day I'll be sending you a 10-minute morning yoga class as well as an evening 15-minute yoga stretch. Please don't stress about this. One challenge is plenty. I'm just giving you guys the option because I know some of you are probably going to want to combine them anyway. And you know what? Morning and evening, that goes well. Even if you're doing both, it's only 25 minutes a day. Still very manageable. But if you are new to doing challenges, if you're not really used to getting on your mat every day, I think just doing one challenge will be more than enough. So evening yoga movement, just 15 minutes anytime at the end of the day. So I would say wait until about an hour after you have dinner. So anytime after that is great to practice. These classes can also be done right before going to bed. So I leave that scheduling up to you. Here on YouTube, every video will go live one a day at noon Eastern Standard Time. Of course, noon is not the evening, but we're all in different time zones. So I want to give you as much time as possible to schedule this in your calendar and plan out your evening. The more you're able to really plan your sessions, the higher your chances are of succeeding and getting through all the way through the 30 days. What I know for sure is that doing just a little bit of yoga every day has the power to change your life. I know many of you know this for sure as well because you discovered and learned this secret by doing last year's morning yoga movement. It doesn't need to be super strenuous. It doesn't need to be an hour long. Taking 10 or 15 minutes every day to get on your mat and to put yourself first through mindful movement and deep belly breathing is incredibly powerful and very effective. More than anything, I want this to be a gift you give yourself, putting yourself first. After your busy day of serving everyone else, I want you to be able to get in your comfiest pajamas, to set the tone, set the mood, maybe light a little candle before stepping on your mat, and just tune the rest of the world out. This will be your time and your time only. We will share it together, we will breathe, we will move, and hopefully we will all reap the benefits of daily evening yoga practices. So click the link down below to join the evening yoga movement. The first video will be released tomorrow at noon Eastern Time. I cannot wait to practice with you. This is an amazing journey we're going to go on, and I'm just so excited to go on it with you. If you have any questions about this challenge, please feel free to leave me a comment. I'll try to answer as many as I possibly can. Again, open to all levels, slow, stretchy flows, pairing each class with a mindful affirmation to take our practice a little bit deeper, focusing less on effort and more on cultivating self-care, ease, relaxation, and inner peace. I'll see you tomorrow night for day 1 of the evening yoga movement. Namaste.